Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are reviewing the Winmate G101AD-A. It looks like a tablet, but it performs like a high-end workstation. Let's find out why this is the ultimate upgrade for your mobile workforce. Today, we're unboxing the Winmate G101AD-A rugged tablet. It starts with simple, yet robust packaging designed for industrial standards. Inside, thick shock-absorbing foam ensures the device stays perfectly protected during transit. Here it is. The moment you pick it up, you can feel the solid build quality and durability. Check out the reinforced back cover and corner bumpers. The G101AD-A is built for the harshest environments. This isn't just a tablet, it's an essential tool for your workforce. Now, let's take a look at the accessories included with the G101AD-A. This kit is all about industrial connectivity and power. Let's go through them one by one. First up, we have the M10 push-pull LAN cable. This converts the rugged M10 port on the tablet into a standard RJ45 Ethernet jack. The push-pull mechanism ensures a waterproof, vibration-proof lock that won't accidentally disconnect. Next, included in the package are two Wi-Fi modules. These are essential components to ensure your G101AD-A maintains high-speed wireless connectivity in the field. Moving on, we have the M10 push-pull power cable, specifically the DC plug type. Just like the LAN cable, this features the secure self-locking connector. It ensures that power delivery remains stable even if the cable gets tugged or pulled. To drive that power, here's the 120-watt adapter. This high-capacity brick ensures the tablet charges quickly and can power external peripherals without dropping voltage. Next is the removable battery. It's designed for easy swapping. And finally, the standard power cord to connect the adapter to your wall outlet. Flip the device over. You'll see two latches on the battery cover. Simply slide them outward to the unlock position, and the battery lifts right out. No tools needed. To reinstall, grab your fresh battery. Align it with the bottom grooves first, then press the top down firmly until it sits flush with the casing. Now, this is the important part. Slide those latches back inward to lock it. Now, let's demonstrate how to install the Wi-Fi module. First, remove the black dust caps from the antenna connectors on the top. Screw the antennas in clockwise until tight. Ensure both are securely attached. And that's it. Installation complete. The Winmate G101AD-A. This isn't just a rugged tablet, it's a custom-built mission controller OEM services at tactile precision. Check out this custom joystick, heavy-duty toggle switches, and the integrated roller switch. From the ergonomic grip to fully programmable buttons, every physical interface is tailored to your specific workflow. UAV, robotics, or defense, Winmate builds the tool you need. For field operations, you often need to work with gloves on. The G101AD-A makes this easy. Simply open the touchset menu and switch the profile to glove mode. Now, the screen becomes sensitive to glove touch. You can launch and operate complex software like Mission Planner effortlessly. It offers precise control without ever needing to take your gloves off. Experience ultimate control with the Winmate G101AD-A. Its ultra-responsive touchscreen allows you to navigate complex tactical maps with seamless precision and zero lag. Smooth, reliable, and mission-ready. Let's take a closer look at the Winmate G101AD-A rugged robotic controller. Starting with performance, it's powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor and supports both Windows and Linux Ubuntu, giving you the computing power you need for complex field operations. The display is a standout feature. This 10.1-inch panel offers 800 nits of brightness with optical bonding and a special AG plus AF treatment. This ensures crystal clear visibility in under direct sunlight and smooth touch response. For control, the interface is designed for precision. It features integrated dual joysticks on both sides, along with tactile toggle switches and buttons. It's ergonomically designed specifically for robotic and UAV operations. In terms of reliability, it is built tough. It's IP65 water and dust resistant and MIL-STD-810H certified for shock and vibration. Plus, the active fan cooling design keeps it running smoothly in temperatures ranging from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. Finally, with Wi-Fi 6, optional 5-gram support, and a hot swappable battery, your mission can continue without interruption. If you need a rugged, high-performance tablet that can replace a laptop in the field, the Winmate G101AD-A is the one to beat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.